Jarmello.
Magic Puffy Pit Sapphire Drawing Kit. Hi kids, welcome to Jarmello's Art World, where we have fun and get creative together. Today, we'll make Magic Puffy Pizza. Before we start, make sure you have these materials ready. Magic Puffy Pizza, scissors, water, plate. The Magic Puffy Pizza includes these materials: expanding cotton pad, pizza cardstock, border card, cardstock knife, dough, marker, water pen, self Velcro, chain, bag with hole, fuzzy ball. Got all your materials ready? Great! Let's make our own DIY pizza. Prepare the ingredients. First, let's get our pizza toppings ready. Here we have yummy bacon, red tomatoes, and lots of toppings. We'll use scissors to carefully cut along the lines and cut them all out. The toppings are all cut out. Let's grab our magic markers and color them in. Color in every detail, stroke by stroke. It's time to see the magic happen. Twist open the water pen and fill it with clean water. Take off the pen cap. While you paint, gently squeeze the pen. Look! The parts you paint with water are puffing up. Now use a brush to puff up your favorite parts and make the toppings look even yummier. You can also put the toppings into a small dish of water. They will puff up too. All done. Now let the toppings dry in a cool, airy place. Make pizza. While waiting for the toppings to dry, let's make the pizza crust. First, roll the dough into several long strips using your palm. Then, press dough on the crust. You can choose any pattern you like. Method 1. Use your finger to press the edge of the dough strip toward the pizza. Method 2. Use your thumb to make small round dents along the dough strip. Method 3. Use a paper knife to gently cut stripes on the dough. Method 4. Press both ends of the dough strip lightly and shape it into a moon shape. Let's start making your own pizza. Take the order card and check your favorite toppings. Pick the toppings and put them on the pizza base. Your one-of-a-kind delicious pizza is ready. Time to slice and play. Take the matching toppings and the self-Velcro. Peel off the self-Velcro and stick it on the back of both toppings. Stick the two toppings together. Use a cardstock knife to cut them, and enjoy the food with your friends. Make a squishy pendant. The toppings also can be used for squishy fun. Put the puffed toppings or mini pizza into a transparent bag. Add your favorite small fuzzy balls. Seal the bag. Take the bead chain, thread it through the hole in the bag, and connect the ends. The cute squishy is ready. Let's squeeze it. You can also hang it on your backpack.